Alright. Should I be standing here or is this too close?
No, I think you'll be fine, but just don't be moving a lot.
Use the, try using the other side of it so that way you can pry. Those things are on there pretty solid, huh? I guess not.
So I'm going to recap it once I get the queen, right?
Yeah, you have to slide the queen out of there.
Okay.
And then just
This is a big bee, babe.
put that right back in there.
Or are they coming out?
Yeah, try to keep them in there like as much as possible.
I don't know if I can do it with this.
Like with your hands, like try doing it with your hands. That little thing's pretty secure there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Now you need to get that other edge up. That last corner, yeah. There you go. Here they are. Okay, now be careful. Nice and easy. No sudden movements. You got her?
I got her.
Alright, keep them on. That's fine. Keep them on there, and then you can shake them off into the hive over there. Just set that there, yeah. Perfect. That looks good. That looks nice. Do you want to try to like hook her on there, or do you want to?
I'm gonna hook her exactly on there, but I just gotta get them.
Take a look at her, see what she looks like. Does she look good? Look inside. That way you get an.
She's pretty.
Is she?
Okay.
All right, set her in there, and then where's the little hole? There's supposed to be a hole there for the marshmallow to sit in.
Yeah, let me just right here.
Oh, there it is. What's in there now? Like a plug?
Yeah.
Is there like a plug in there?
Yeah, there's a plug in here.
All right, what do you need to get it out?
I just need like little thin pliers.
A little pair of pliers.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. All right, let me go get those. I don't know if I have any pliers around here. Oh, maybe I do. Let's try. What are you trying to do? Here, did you get it out?
Like this.
Here, is this gonna work? Are these gonna work?
Yeah.